Step 1 is verify the tonnage on the outdoor unit. We got a 2-ton here. Also verify the tonnage of the indoor section. This is an air handler, also a 2-ton. Sometimes these will be half a ton larger, but more on that in a different video. Next, notate the orientation of the unit. Is it an upflow? Is it a downflow? Is it a horizontal? Then perform a visual inspection of the ductwork. Look for things like air leaks, darkened insulation around returns. How is it supported or strapped? Are there remote plenums, ductboard boxes? Is there excessive length? Very relaxed, not stretched tight. Are there unnecessary transitions? Is it falling apart? Is it kinked? After the visual inspection, next we want to determine the size of our supply ducts. There's 2 8-inches in this case. Then we want to determine the size of our return ducts. In this case, there's a single 12-inch. Now it is time to calculate our CFM deficit. Draw a sketch of the home, draw all of the supply registers, and all of the return registers. It is very important to notate at this point, our only concern is going to be with what is connected to the plenum. We had 1 12-inch return and 2 8-inch supplies. Calculate your required CFM for a 2-ton. 2 times 400 equals 800 required CFM. Next, use your duct calculator or the chart that came with the purchase of this duct design kit. Use 400 feet per minute for your returns. So a 12-inch duct at 400 feet per minute gives us 330 CFM. Next, take the required CFM of 800, subtract that from the 330, and that will leave us a 470 CFM deficit. Now we need to calculate the CFM deficit on the supply side. So we had 2 8-inch ducts. We're going to use 700 feet per minute on the supply side. 8 inches, 700 feet equals 195 CFM per duct. Let's multiply that times 2, which equals 390. Then we're going to take our 800 CFM minus 390, giving us the deficit of 410 CFM. Up to this point, this has been pretty dry, pretty mathy, I would say. But we're starting to get to the real exciting stuff here. The part where you can really wow customers with your duct design. Really change people's lives. And if you're a homeowner in on this, you can really wow your comfort advisor or salesperson when you lay out the duct design for them the way it's supposed to be done. We have a much greater purpose here at HVAC Double Agent. It's not just about design and duct. We aim to create a community of top-notch HVAC professionals. Our end goal is to create a more standardized and practical way to design ductwork that both homeowners and HVAC techs can easily understand. Join us in creating clarity by investing in one of our duct design kits today. For $99, you can get the Affordable Kit, which you'll get the remainder of this video. In our Whisper Kit, you will get one-on-one coaching from one of our agents. Or come to our in-person masterclass training in Dallas, Texas, where you'll get 8 hours of hands-on training from our whole team. Link is in the description of this video.